Hello, in this video I will show you how to drain and replace the transmission fluid on Volkswagen Golf 4 1.4 petrol. So to change the oil we need to go underneath the car, and I'll show you where the drain and the fuel plugs are. So this is the drain plug right there that we need to remove to drain, and the fuel plug is on the side, which I'll show you later on. Here I'm going to show you the service manual for changing the transmission fluid on this Golf. Here we can see the drain and the fuel plugs where they're located. And here I'm going to show you the specs for the transmission fluid that needs to be used. So this is the grade for the transmission on the Golf. It depends on what year model it is. One of them is from 1998 to 01, and the other one is from 2002. And the oil capacity is 1.9 liters. Now we're going to remove the drain plug to drain the oil. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Next we're going to fuel the transmission. The fuel plug and level plug is located just there. The oil capacity for this transmission is 1.9 liters. So we are going to put about 2 liters of transmission oil, and we want to see it start dripping, and when it starts dripping then we can put the level plug on and have the oil changed. So now we're going to start pumping the transmission fluid in. I'm using a hand pump. Okay, that's 1 liter of transmission oil in. Next we're going to put another liter in there. We'll stop pumping oil in when it starts dripping from the level hole. Okay, it started dripping, so now we can remove the hose and put the lever plug and fuel plug back on. Then we're going to tighten the fuel plug, and that's it. Our change on the transmission is done. Thank you for watching.